Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and we are back taking a look at American Airlines stock. And the reason we're starting out here, I'm going to zoom in one moment, is look at where we are in the relation to the 3-month look back period. We are at, as you can see, we're still in after hours trading. It is bouncing up and down, but look at how much we've gone up today. So just today we're looking at a 41% growth. Over the course of the past week, nearly 60%. So starting the week, we were around $10. The reason that I highlight this for American Airlines is over the course of this week, we've seen a lot of sympathy plays over a lot of the travel stocks, a lot of the resorts, hotel stocks, as things begin to open up, as we don't see the huge increase in coronavirus cases that we were expecting to see if there was any form of contact. While the cases are going up, there doesn't seem to be, at this point in time, any risk of the healthcare system being overwhelmed. And right now, the market has been ignoring the protests. The reason for that is because the one thing that everyone is focusing on is open up, open up, open up. That being said, we're seeing these huge increases that are currently happening with, in particular, the airline stocks. However, American Airlines in particular, because there was a lot of concern that they may be going bankrupt. So we look at Delta. Delta is up nearly 14% today. However, nowhere near the same amount that American Airlines is up. So the reason that we're highlighting this is because American Airlines did come out today and they said that they anticipate for the first 3 months of May last year, they saw, or rather the last week of May, they saw 55% of normal capacity. The reason that's important is because that means we are returning, more people are flying, and that they anticipate to return to hopefully profitability. So one of the things that I do want to warn against is I do anticipate seeing a pullback from today, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're not going to see a run tomorrow. As you saw in March, there were spikes and then it would recover a little bit, so we may see a pullback. We saw some of that today, just with a little slight pullback before it rocketed skyward. So I don't foresee that not happening. I think that if we see it hit $17, it will continue to go up, but we may see some pullback action tomorrow. Overall, I think that the underlying fundamentals of this stock is that it is not going to be a profitable company this year. They are not going to be making money this year, and that means that they should not be seeing 40% gains, but that is not how the coronavirus stock market works, and as such, we're going to continue to see this rapid rise. So that being said, I do think at some point in time in the future, we are going to see a pullback, but it all just depends on the volume. The reason that I highlight this volume is look at the uptick in trading volume over the course of the week. This is all today. That is what's driving this growth. You're going to see people who read the articles, who watch these videos, and I anticipate that that's going to drive growth again tomorrow. Now, you have to remember that there is a lot going on in current politics right now, a lot going on in the American environment relating to various protests and riots. All of that is going to have additional information over the weekend. So I don't know if I would hold this stock over the weekend. That being said, one of the things that we want to look at is, are we going to see a pullback tomorrow, or are we going to see it explode upwards? Again, I think we're going to see it continue to rise, but we do have some big unemployment data coming out. So be watching American Airlines tomorrow. Again, it's incredible that we've seen 60% growth from this stock this week. Be watching it and let me know if you're going to be making the play. So, or if you're holding some of the other airline stocks. It's been a wild week. So let me know what you're seeing currently, and if you found this content helpful or enjoyable, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.